Hello everyone, it's Pink Butterfly Cooking again, and I have another Mods for You package, yeah. Okay, so this isn't a big package at all, like, oh, here's the pack, but I show it a lot of times, so yeah, just a quick look. I covered my edges, and here are the stamps by Ramel. So yeah, and this is, like I said, a very small package because my friend saw my Sentimental Circus mechanical pencil, and she asked that can I order one for her too. So I said of course. So I ordered a mechanical pencil for her, and I got a thing for myself. So let's open it quickly. And it opens this way. So it won't be much stuff in that pack. So yeah, it's opened, and here is the little bag. So yeah, let's put the package here, and this is the baggie that it comes with. So let's open it. Wow, I'm so excited. So yeah, here is the mechanical pencil, and I sadly I can't order the same Sentimental Circus for her, so I ordered Kriakuma one. So I don't really want to open it, but here, as you can see, it's real Kriakuma. You probably can't see because it's in a bubble wrap, but yeah, here's Rilakkuma. I think you will see probably better. Yeah, here's Rilakkuma and Kriakuma here. And on the top there is a little Kriakuma, but you probably won't see. So yeah, that's for her. And for myself, I am so excited. I got this Sentimental Circus pencil case, guys. How cool is that? Like, look at this. I love Sentimental Circus, as I said in my previous videos. My favorite character from Sanax is Sentimental Circus and Rilakkuma, but I love Sentimental Circus, so I got this pencil case, and I was so happy because there was just two left. Like on the web page, it said that only two items left in the stock, so I got I think the last one, or anyway, so I was so happy. It was a little bit expensive, but I don't really care because I'm so happy. So yeah, this is, as you can see, Sentimental Circus, and it has some really cool designs, and it's shiny, and this is the bunny and cards and keys, and the other side looks like the same, and it comes with a little tag, Sentimental Circus, and if you open it, it says a lot of Japanese things, which I can't read. That's so sad. And it's an Xanax license. So yeah. And when you open it, oh, there's a little sponge. I don't know if I can pull this sponge out quickly, so just a sec, guys. Oh, that wasn't that hard at all. Okay, so this is the little sponge, I think, and here is the pencil case. So this is how it looks inside. It's just really pretty pink, and it has some cool like it has a big place to put things on it. So yeah, I'm so excited about this pencil case. So yeah, that was my really small Mods For You package opening video. I hope you like it. If so, please get the thumbs up and comment me down below what you think about this little review or package opening video. And subscribe to my channel, this Pink Butterfly Cookie, if you want to see more kawaii haul videos like from Mods For You and from other websites. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, bye, and see you in the next kawaii video. Hello.